Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're taking you to go out have a walk. Now, it could be just because you need some rest, or maybe literally, let's go and stroll around in the countryside somewhere that is beautiful. 我们会说我们出去走一走，有可能只是片刻休息。我们去走一走吧。How do you say that?
俺来去行行啊啦。
俺来去行行啊啦。不是被行啊，你要去巷子走一走吗？
然后就可以看到大马路了。
行行啊 in Taiwanese that sounds like an alley, but it actually means let's go and have a walk. Literally 其实就是走一走了啊。好，那今天呢，我们去哪儿？因为这个月我们常常会带到这个南庄啊。听说那边的南庄面太好吃了，
流口水了。
对 ，in Nanjang, that's in Miaoli County. 好，我们今天呢就来揣摩一个意境，就是去南庄吃面好饱，然后想要吃饱了要干嘛？
走一下。
走一走 yeah, have a little stroll, have a little walk, okay? So let's start off the conversation with 南庄面好好吃哦。That means Nanjang noodles are so delicious.
南庄面很好吃咯。
南庄面 that's the Nanjang noodles. 很好就很好吃咯，吃的。对 that means it's so delicious, the Nanjang noodles.
南庄面
南庄面
很好吃咯。
很好吃咯。And then the response would be 吃得好饱哦。Yes, I just had it. I am so full right now. 怎么说？
错啊，吃到东饱。
错啊 that means yes. 吃到东饱，这吃到爆了哈，好可怕，
就是太撑了啦，
吃太饱了哈。
对，那海陆腔吃得好饱，吃到东饱，
吃到东饱 that's a different dialect for saying, oh, I am so full. So the conclusion is, let's go out and have a walk and digest it a little bit. 我们出去走一走，然后消化一下。
俺来去行行啊啦，
俺来去行行啊啦。
消化一下。
哦，消化一下 that means digest it a little bit, right? Have a little walk. That's very good. Okay, 这个去南庄之后再去逛也不错啊。好，我们来 review. Okay, 这些 vocabulary 有包括好好吃啊 ，so delicious.
很好吃咯，
很好吃咯 and then so full 吃得好饱，
吃到东饱，
吃到东饱 and to digest it a little bit 消化一下，
消化一下，
消化一下 and it's all about taking a stroll. Let's go somewhere and take a walk. 我们去走一走吧。
俺来去行行啊啦，
俺来去行行啊啦。There you go. Another practical edition of Hakka.
什么太嘎？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.